Good morning, students. Practical Technology offers 4 subjects for you, with the choices being Applied Subjects, Building and Construction Skills, Industrial Technology Skills, and Industrial Graphics Skills. Now, you'll need to be writing these down on your question paper. We also have a Vocational Education or VET subject, which is a Certificate 2 in Construction Pathways. The first subject we'll look at is Building and Construction Skills. Now, this is an applied subject and contributes 4 QCE points to your Certificate of Education. Core topics covered in Building and Construction Skills include industry practices and certain construction processes. A number of different projects are completed during the 2-year course with starting with a simple component, simple project, working up to and moving into more complex projects in Year 12. Assessment. You receive a rating from an A to an E, and you have 2 types of assessment, a project, which is demonstrated as a practical, and also a written project. The second type of assessment, extended response, is presented as written, 500 to 900 words, and is a multimodal. Second subject, industrial technology skills, again an applied subject and contributes 4 QCE points. Core topics again include industry practices and production processes. Projects you'll make include furniture making and finishing that furniture effectively, engineering, and also learning the different forms and types of welding. This is a cool stool. So it has the esky on the inside, and you can sit on the top, obviously, on a comfortable seat. This is the example of a table and the finishing that can be applied, different paint or varnish. Your assessment is also, you receive a rating from an A to an E, and you're assessed in 2 types of project, practical demonstration and the written component that accompanies that, and then you'll also complete a workbook, which is written and multimodal. Third subject, industrial graphics skills. Applied subject, 4 QCE points. The core topics again, industry practices, and this includes drafting processes. So you'll be looking not only at manufacturing, workplace health and safety, and those interpersonal skills required in industry, but also the drafting, drawing, specifications, processes, tools and materials. Assessment includes more assignments with this particular subject, and you will be completing technical drawings from buildings or simple products such as glasses, staplers, or everyday products that we use, moving into Year 12 with assignments more complex, some architectural drawing, and culminating in a practical exam. Assessment results are given as an A to an E rating, and the 2 techniques that are used, project and your workbook, practical demonstration for your project plus the exam, and your workbook needs to be written and multimodal as the previous 2 subjects were. And your fourth and final subject on offer in practical technology is a vocational subject, Certificate 2, contributing 4 QCE points towards your Certificate of Education. Now, the provider that is used is an external provider called My Industry Training, and it doesn't cost you anything if you have VETIS funding available. A number of different interesting topics covered in the core topics and the electives. Please note that you also receive your first aid certificate with this qualification. So that sums up the 4 subjects on offer. So if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact or talk to Mr. Nunn and or any of the other ITD teachers for further information. Thanks for listening.